LPSN stock analysis and LPSN stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. And as the only guy in this space, having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. And in this particular instance, I'm just looking to double down on this, buy more, like 5% correction. You can see like even I had like black links here from some previous ideas that I had. I was gonna get rid of it. Rid of them all. Ultimately, shit. This is still what's holding the price down, and honestly, mate, we are yet to shift with a full decent bullish break above this like March supply zone. And we even got the first breakdown. Holy crap. If there's the second one taking a place, then I'm just looking to just double down on it, right? And if not, it's all good. So that's how LPSN is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.